Okay guys, I'm here working on this Daikin heat pump unit. So this unit have an indoor ducted evaporator, and I'm having an error code of U4-01, meaning communication issue. Okay, all right. So I've been here a little while. Maybe about an hour troubleshooting this unit, and I actually find the issue right now. So since I find the issue, I'm going to show you so you can help yourself when you have an issue on the job without calling tech support. Well, if you don't have to. All right, just say late night, weekend, or whatever it is. All right, so what I have here, if you come to the equipment and the unit, you have a U4 communication, is going to tell her that okay, the wire may broken or disconnect, which is can show. So if you check the wire and the wires are fine and it's tight and you're not getting anything and there's no issue with the wire, so to speak, what you do is you check F1 and F2. You check for voltage. You're supposed to receive the voltage that you're going to check for is going to have to be DC voltage. So it's not going to be AC voltage. You're going to check for DC voltage. You should receive by F1 and F2, you should get a 16 volt, or you should get some form of voltage here from the unit. Okay, if you check and you're not getting any voltage, okay, and the lights are off just like they are right now, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to turn the power off. Once you turn the power off, you're gonna disconnect the F1 and F2 wire like I did here. You're gonna disconnect that. You're gonna turn on back the power. Once you turn on back the power, you're gonna check from F1 to F2 if you got voltage. If you don't have any voltage, you're gonna come up here. You're gonna locate the condenser fan. You're going to disconnect, locate the condenser fan wire. You're going to unplug both wire. It is that's the model number, but it's not necessary. You're going to disconnect the fan wire. Once you disconnect the fan wire, you disconnect the communication cable. You're going to power about the unit. Once you power about the unit, if you have these light comes on, if the light comes on here, number 3 gonna be solid, and you may have number 2 and multi light gonna be flashing, then you can know that okay, the condenser fan motor is damaged. So if one of them may damage, but you don't change one of them, okay, you change both condenser fan, and you're gonna change the whole entire board assembly here. All right, all of this come with one number. There's the communication, that's the model number over there. So you're gonna just replace the whole entire board assembly with the condenser fan. I would tell you that might as well get two blade. They may call a blade, or they may call propeller, depends on whatever it is. You're gonna be blade or propeller, then you can also purchase them as well. So therefore, when it comes to the site, you can easily connect them, put them on, in and out, start up the unit, and you're out. All right, other than you gotta come, you're gonna fight. Reason why I tell you to replace the blade, because I recently have a job that it's a CH unit, and I couldn't get the blade off the motor, so I did have to change both the blade and it. So just get everything at once, throw it in the trash, get a new one, and install it. So for me, in this case, that's how I troubleshoot this Daikin unit, and find out that the communication on this unit is, I find out that one of the condenser fan is bad, only one bad, but we're not going to change one, we're going to change both, because it's summertime. It's about to be summertime. We don't have time to run around to back and forth to work on a unit that we previous work on, that we could correct it and we did not correct it. So that's how I correct this unit for right now. This is what we're gonna do. All right, So we're gonna button up the unit. We're gonna provide a quote. We're gonna provide an estimate for two things. Provide an estimate for a full replacement, and also we're gonna provide an estimate to replace the parts. All right. So see you on the next one. Peace and love. All right. Thank you. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget to be kind with each other. All right. Peace and love.